There are many concerns for parents as students get ready to head back to the classroom. As school districts work on finalizing their reopening plans, one local pediatrician says there are additional steps and layers that parents and school leaders can make to keep children safe.
We're just weeks away from the first day of school.
Unfortunately, not a lot of kids have received the vaccine yet.
A serious concern for school leaders like Superintendent Steve Matthews in Novi.
For those students 12 and above, my wish would be that everyone would be vaccinated before they return to school.
According to the state COVID-19 vaccine dashboard, almost 28% of children ages 12 to 15 are fully vaccinated and almost 38% for children 16 to 19.
Even though COVID in children up until now has been a relatively mild illness and only 1 in 50,000 children will die from COVID, that's still 1 in 50,000 children.
Right now, mask wearing is just a recommendation and not a requirement by the health department.
When they say it's a recommendation, that gives parents the impression that they can make a decision or make a choice. And if it's really that important, then I think the health department should identify that it's a mandatory thing.
Dr. Molly O'Shea with Birmingham Pediatrics agrees.
I really do think wearing a mask makes sense until vaccine is widely available and widely accepted by families.
In other nearby districts like in Dearborn, it is a requirement when entering a building. In a statement to 7 Action News, they say, this has been in place since last year, and we are looking at whether or not we will change that practice starting in late August when staff returns to buildings. Universal mask wearing will be a requirement for everyone vaccinated or not in Detroit public school buildings and on buses. Lynetta Williams has an 8-year-old granddaughter heading to the 2nd grade. She has so many questions with the current spread of the Delta variant.
What if she's could be possibly in that small percentage that dies and you won't know until it happens?
She tells us she's open to weekly COVID testing.
Now, I'm okay with if you're not vaccinated, you get a weekly test and you wear your mask.
This is something school districts are starting to do across the country.
And even though Delta is much more contagious, I don't know that we need to do testing if we have mask wearing in place. Testing is onerous. It is uncomfortable. It's not a pleasant experience.
Superintendent Williams says he doesn't have any plans to test his students or staff.
Last year, we had mandatory testing of our student athletes, and we gave several thousand tests over the course of the spring season, and we had less than 1% of those tests come back positive.
The Detroit Public School Board just approved their reopening plan that requires weekly COVID-19 testing of all employees and students who completed their consent form, regardless if they have their vaccine.
I think the adults need to be more responsible because of the children that can't get vaccinated.
For parents who would like to stay up to date on COVID-19 cases in the local area, visit our website at WXYZ.com. For 7 Action News, I'm Nana Cintia Bonsu.